Hi everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can apply arithmetic operations for Pandas data frame columns. We have seen here NBA data frame. In this NBA data frame, I'm just going to select here a single column, and thereafter I'll be doing here arithmetic operations on that column. For example, if I select here age, on this column, I can do all the arithmetic operations, direct arithmetic operations. The previously we had seen stats operation. So this says that the average mean value is 26 years or almost 27 years. But other arithmetic operations you can do something like, let's say you want to add here some age offset. You can simply do something like this. In all these values, this plus 10 will be added there. Alright, you don't need to add these values, one by one in all of these rows. In fact, you can write here a single line of code. Everything will get added there automatically. Thereafter, you can do other operations like you can do the multiplication, something like this. NBA age multiplied by 10, you will be having something like this. So all the ages got just multiplied by 10. Other operations you can do something like this, NBA age or whatever. Let's say if you do here, double forward slash 10, that's mean we are going to do here integer division. So whatever the results you will get here, those will be returned as the integer value. Alright, do you see there? So those integer again becomes a float value because of this none value there. Alright. Perfect. Let's go ahead and see how you can apply here other operations, like let's say you want to get the modulus or the remainder. All right. So for that you need to put here a modulus symbols here. That's mean now we are going to get here the remainder. So for the 25 here, we got here remainder 5, 25, 5 and 27. There is the 7. So whatever is divisible by 10, those are removed, and then the remainder which are left, those are returned here. Alright. To add the values, other than doing this, you can also do something like this. You can do here like add and then give the numbers which you want to add. So all these values just got added there. Other than this, you can also add multiple columns together. For example, let's say you want to add here weight and these numbers together. Alright, so it will be like weight number. You can simply do like that. Let's say I have here this NBA and then I have here this weight. I just want to add the number with this, so I do here something like this. NBA weight plus NBA number. Now you see there the weight and number got added, 180 and 334. You see there the 180 plus 0, that's the 180, and 99 plus 235 is 334. So these two numbers got added. Then you can also assign this to a new variable or whatever you say, like NBA and then the weight number. Something like this. Now you see there the NBA you print there, so that that new calculation just got assigned here to the weight number. Now you know that how to drop the column. You can simply write here NBA.drop and just copy this variable from there. You put there a list, the variable which you want to drop, and then you need to provide here axis equal to 1, thereafter in place equal to true. So in place equal to true, that means this data frame itself will be modified. That's mean this one is dropped and this NBA is modified here. Now you check here the NBA. Now you will not get any weight number data frame. Sorry, weight number data frame column here into the NBA. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.